So console.log, I'm going to just take my age and add 3.5. Okay. Next, line 2, number 2. On a new line, write another console.log inside the parentheses. Take the current year and subtract 1969. So console.log, current year is 2022. We're going to subtract 1969. Okay. The answer is how many years it's been since 1969 moon landing. Okay, so create another console.log inside the parentheses. Divide 65 by 240. Okay, number 4, create one last console.log inside the parentheses, multiply 0.2708 by 100. That's the percent of the sun. That's the percent of the sun that is made up of helium. Assuming we could stand on the sun, we'd all sound like chipmunks. Multiply asterisk, right? And the answer is 27.08.